This month's craft is the Peacock craft. Supplies you will need with or without the kit: crayons, glue, and scissors. If using the kit, you're going to need the Peacock template, which comes in 3 parts: a full sheet that has the tail, a half sheet that has the handprints, and another half sheet that contains the peacock's body. Since I am using the kit, I took my crayons and colored the tail feathers, the handprints, and the peacock body. Next step, after I colored my peacock template in various shades of blue and purple, I cut all the pieces out. And the final step before your finished product is to glue together all the pieces. Glue the colored side, bottom of the hands, leave the fingers out, and paste them to the back of the non-colored side of the body. After putting more glue, put the tail onto the back of the body and the hands, with the colored side facing front. And if need to, you can add a little bit of glue, as the third picture shows, to hold your body in place.
I am doing our peacock craft from home. Let's gather our supplies together. I have construction paper in different colors. I have scissors, a marker, a pencil, crayons, glue, and a ruler. To start our peacock, I draw an oval with a circle on top. This will be the peacock's body. I then cut out in orange construction paper, or you can use yellow, a beak and feet. I then draw 2 eyes on a piece of white paper and color in with our marker little black eyes in the middle of it. I then turn around and use a large piece of construction paper in any color you want. I used pink and made a fan shape. You make by making a V and circle, half circle on top. I then take a piece of white paper and fold it in half, and I laid my hand next to the fold and trace my fingers outward. I leave the paper folded while I cut my hand out, and when I open up the fold, I have 2 sides of my hands, which will be the wings of my peacock. Now it's time to cut all our pieces out. Now that we have all our pieces cut out, I'm going to be gluing them all together. I start by gluing the eyes on the head of my peacock and then his beak. I put his feet on and glue that. On the back side of this peacock, I now put glue and by his neck, and I glue him to the hand pieces, which will be his feathers. I also have to glue the peacock to his tail feathers, which is my big pink fan. Before I do that, if you like, you can go ahead and decorate the fan a little bit across the top with either coloring some circles, which is what I did, or you can use jewels, or if you have buttons, those work as well, and glue those on. Now you can glue your peacock to the fan so that the feathers are showing above his head. We now have our finished peacock. I hope you had fun.
Yours looks awesome, Miss Eileen. Here's my finished peacock. And again, I used the kit. What do y'all think?